In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create one-click subscribe links on Beehiiv. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a magic link that lets people subscribe to your newsletter with a single click so you can share it confidently across your channels. First, open your Beehiiv dashboard and make sure you're in the right publication if you manage more than one. Everything we'll do happens right inside the dashboard, and you don't need any extra tools. From the left-hand sidebar, click Subscribers. This section is where Beehiiv stores your audience data and all the tools related to growing that audience. We're heading here because the platform keeps its one-click subscribe feature called Magic Links under the subscriber tools. Next, click Magic Links. A magic link is a unique URL tied to your publication. When someone taps it, they're instantly added to your list without filling out a form. It's great for social posts, podcast descriptions, partner newsletters, or anywhere you want to reduce friction. Beehiiv will still honor your publication settings and policies, so the experience remains consistent with how you've set things up. On this page, you'll see your custom magic link. Think of this as the master link for quick subscriptions. It's already connected to your publication, so there's nothing else to configure here. If you ever rebrand or create additional publications in Beehiiv, be sure you're using the link that corresponds to the specific newsletter you want to grow. Now, click Platform. This dropdown helps you tailor the link for where you plan to share it. Different platforms can treat links and previews a little differently, and Beehiiv accounts for that, so your link behaves as expected. Choose a platform from the list that best matches where you'll post it, maybe a social network, your website, or a general option for anything not listed. If you're unsure, the general selection is a safe choice and works almost everywhere. The goal is to make sure your link is optimized for that environment, which can improve click-through and reduce friction. Finally, click Copy to Clipboard. Your magic link is now ready to paste into a social bio, a call to action in your posts, your website, or a partner's newsletter. Because this is a one-click subscribe experience, be transparent in your wording so people know they'll be added immediately. Use it in places where your audience already trusts you and keep the message clear and inviting. That's it. You've opened Beehiiv, navigated to subscribers, selected magic links, reviewed your custom link, picked a platform, and copied it for sharing. You're ready to grow faster with fewer steps for your audience.